Uria wari MCA wa mbere ndene wodi ya MWIMBI no Laban Karani na nogoke tuentukia naru anja kwa wentere chia iruma are akari na tongere bachumiritie mathikone jau na kumugweta janchamba mutongeria umwega na mturari na kioneki Mati Mugambi atutariria
atongoria tori na nkinyanto bamuchie muthenya we munde bararurungana ntura yeru makoringeria ora MCA wa mbere wa wandi ya MWIMBI to Karani Labani.
I'm saying that I owe the greatest pain in this family. I know what we discussed with him all the time. Exactly, I know. Yato alagene yire ko nkabu ira imwe kabu stoka. Kabu gambeta isanga sankoro tekwenda.
Bekirite nguo injero chwe antu bamuchie ari ogomwekuru wa keronda Karani ana bake baire bari baramukatha no chamba na nkinya wonokio.
Mr. Karani Laban loved his children. Kila mtu alikuwa anajua. My goodness, he was both a lion, alikuwa simba, and he was also a bear when it came to us. When I was younger, Dad was always the one who championed me to do better, to do more, and try harder. From the moment I was born, Dad brought to my attention that I was not born to be mediocre but to be great.
Gugitwikaga Karani uyu arabani ariru imurimo diabetes na nkinya pressure. Tori banture nubutabagiria koja kumuringeria na kumwira kya mwicho.
Comes from their own very heart. I think it was common knowledge. If you wanted to get to annoy him, you only needed to touch his daughters, and I think that is what fathers should be. They should be a shield to their children and dependable like their father was.
Muthia gutwika Karani ari muringwa chiacha tongoria bagi chiacha ndeni akaunti ya Tharakanithi ari ogomuninu ngavana Wilson Nyaga Israeli MCA na batikinothia kaba wanja speaker John Babu na tongoria bangi kathumba bare kinya kiathoni giki
togo tulija kimwe simwe wetu tumutindikiriria nondo kula omdo ikawana ndo bau Karani is a politician na ari musiasa na ningo na kuintroduce speaker, former speaker wetu David Baya. Nondo ndina bonge bwa kuga nondo rani buto nondo tutojiria Reverend. Sisi kama wanasiasa tulifika hapa 11 date. 11 or 7 we were here. Lakini imeenda namna hiyo. Tutakubali tu. Tuseme serikali yetu itatufanyia kazi na msangae. Kutaka makani nebo road kitana mbele. Tuombe nchi yetu ya Kenya. Tunajua vile inaendelea. Kwa kweli ningeomba muinue mikono yenu kama Musa muombe bila aliombea wana wa Israeli. Kwa sababu bila tunaendelea tumuite Mungu aonekane katika taifa letu. With God all things are possible.
KIRI WAIRUTANIRITIE kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara. Mbitagwa Mati Mugambi.